Hello everybody, we have an exciting day. It's about 5 a.m. We're going downtown with the Vactor and we're exposing some sanitary sewers for some sewer taps, and we're looking for a water tap, and we're looking for a water line, and we're looking for all sorts of stuff. Fun fact, the building was built in the late 1800s, so we might find cool stuff, and it's probably gonna be a mess. Probably gonna be a messy hole. There's probably gonna be a lot of utilities down in there. That's a long time for our forefathers to put all sorts of things. You don't want to put a hoe in the ground, so you don't want to hit with a hoe in the ground is what I meant to say. It's an early morning, had a late night, but nothing a couple cups of coffee won't fix. So we're gonna shake her down and hit the road. Stand by.